This is Phinens. He stands 42 inches tall from his feet to the top of his head. The hands are carved out of wood. He's hand painted. Doesn't have any eyes, he's just got the little slits there. It makes him look a little more angry. He comes dressed as he is here. You can see with the body and the back, we have it cut out in the back so you can get your hand in here okay. You don't have to go up underneath the shirt. The body is wood framed, covered in cloth. The legs are stuffed and the arms are stuffed. Comes with a ring lever, so you can use either hand, your thumb or your finger, whichever you prefer, left or right handed, works both great with that. He is partially bald. So if you are interested in him, you can contact me on my Facebook page. Like I said, he comes dressed as he is here, and he's ready to go, looking for a home. So, thanks for watching.